So in this video I will show you how you can change the MAC address. So first of all you have to open Google Chrome, then enter Titanium MAC address changer. Then you can see titanium.com, as you can see. Then click on that, and here you will see download option. So click on download. This is very important. So after downloading, you will get set up like this. Right click on that and open it. Allow permission. Then see, here the whole new options are available. As you can see, my original MAC address is 74E6E2 1877883 and active also. Now we gonna change it. So for changing, first of all you should know what is your original MAC address. For that, if you don't know, then I am showing you procedure how you can find out. Go to control panel, open that, then go in, then you should go in network and internet. Then in this you should go in network and sharing center. Then you should go in network and adapter setting. So after clicking this, as you can see, in my case I have TP-Link Dell wireless router. So I will right click on it and go on status. Then I will go in details. As you can see, my physical MAC address is 4BB583015F9. Okay, so now we will change it, but how? Using Titanium MAC address changer. So first of all I will cut all this, and now I will untick all the things which I don't want to use it. So first of all I will untick them. I'm going to change only my Wi-Fi MAC address. So for that purpose I'm showing you, otherwise this will not happen. Your MAC address will not change. Okay, so untick all except Wi-Fi. So now as you can see, okay, now only Wi-Fi is connected. So we will choose the random MAC address. All things should be ticked and change now. Okay, now it will get a change successfully. Initially it was another, now it is, original was 475830115E9. Now active MAC address has been changed to 020163976054. So let's just check out what actually happened to our MAC address. So click on open, network and internet, network and sharing center, advanced adapter, right click on Wi-Fi, status, details. As you can see, physical address is 0201 976054. Here also 020016054. as you can see, this one and this one, this is our active MAC address. Now I am going to restore it. So as you know how to change MAC address now, so I am going to restore my original MAC address. I am clicking on restore, and see, our MAC address was restored originally. as it was. So click on all. So now once again we will confirm it, our MAC address. One, network and internet, network and sharing, change adapter setting, Wi-Fi, right click, status, details. As you can see, it is restored to original one. So now you know how to change the MAC address. Thank you.